Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sunrit Hajra, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to render images with transparent backgrounds in Blender. Whether you're creating graphics for a video, adding elements to a design, or preparing assets for compositing, rendering with a transparent background is a useful technique to know. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's open up Blender, and in Blender we will be setting up a simple scene that will be rendered. Let's delete this default cube and press Shift A to add a geodesic dome. So let's modify this geodesic dome and let's make it class 2 octahedron. This looks like a football now. For the camera angle, let's keep it like this, Ctrl Alt 0, and this angle looks good. Now if we press F12 to render this image, we will see that the background is not transparent even though there are no colors or HDRIs for the background. If we add a color to the world and if we render even now, we will see that of course the background will be not transparent. So how do we make the background transparent? For that you just need to go to this render tab, then just scroll down to this film and then click on transparent. Now even if there are anything in the background, if there are any HDRI or any color in the background, it will not be rendered, but if you have a plane, it will be rendered. So let's render this out, and now we can see that this is a PNG image and we can see this checker texture which are used on transparent objects. Now let's add a plane and let's align the plane to our view, and now if we render this out, we will see that the plane is being rendered. These planes or any objects are going to be rendered in the scene, but the background will not be rendered. So if we make this one smaller, and now if we render this, we will see that everything is transparent except these two objects. Now this thing is both same for cycles and EV. How to export them? For exporting them, let's again render this out, and we will just go ahead to image, then we have to just go ahead to save or save as. Just press Alt S and then select your location and then give it a nice name or not any name if you want. Make sure the file format is set as PNG instead of any other of these, because PNG is the only one which supports transparent background, and you have to choose the color as RGBA. RGBA stands for red, green, blue and alpha, and RGB stands for red, green, blue, and this does not contain the alpha, that transparentness that we need in this image. So you need to select this RGBA and choose any color depth or compression if you want. So let's save this as image. Now if we just want to check if it's completely okay or not, we can just open up PowerPoint. Everything's working nicely, we know, but still let's check if our image is okay or not. So let's insert that picture. So this is our image and we can see that this is indeed a PNG image. So that's how you render transparent images in Blender. So that was all for today. Hope you liked this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching.